Let's make an easy cheese curd recipe. I use the word easy a lot, but that's because we like easy recipes. All right, in our bowl here, we're going to take and place 1 cup of flour. Now before that, we've already put some peanut oil. We like peanut oil just because it doesn't really affect the flavor of the cheese curds. But anyway, we use whatever oil you want. But we put that in our deep fryer. We're going to put that at 400 degrees. Now to this, we're going to add 1/4 a cup of milk. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I lost my teaspoon. Can you believe that? Those are the things that occur every once in a while.
Worst shit.
All right. All right, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 large eggs. I'm doing it the dangerous way of cracking it over a mixture. And then to that, we're also going to add 1 cup of club soda. If you want to use beer here, you can. We just prefer to use club soda. And we're going to mix this really well. After you get that mixed up well, we have some white cheddar cheese curds, and there are all kinds of different flavors. They're really good. We're going to take those and we're going to coat these in some flour. Now here's a quick tip. If you want your cheese curds not to be as tough, because they can be tough, take these cheese curds or that bag of cheese curds, separate them, and you want to freeze them. We're going to take the cheese curds, get as much flour as we can off of each one. We're going to drop it into our batter mix. Alright, this is ready to get messy. Of course, you could always use a little strainer or whatever, but I'm just going to take my hands. I'm going to lift these cheese curds out. I'm going to make sure they're all nice and coated really well. Our 400 degrees deep fryer, and I'm just going to kind of drop them in one by one. I want to make sure I have my basket at the bottom already because I don't want them to stick to the bottom of the basket. And we're going to fry these until they're nice and golden brown. Now really this is only going to take about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, minute and a half. These aren't take very long. But as you can tell, they come out nice and golden brown there on top. I'll shake out the excess grease. Right here we have our paper towel lined baking dish. Oh, look at those. They look so good. If you want, you can add a little salt on them. Or you can serve them exactly the way that we love them, with a little bit of ranch dressing. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try.